Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn one of the latest and new feature of WhatsApp. Now you can easily able to tag anyone in your WhatsApp status. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to update the WhatsApp. To update the WhatsApp, you need to go to the Google Play Store. If you are a iPhone user, you need to open the App Store on your phone. Okay, and here you need to simply search WhatsApp like this. Okay, and if the app update is available, just simply go ahead, update the app. And now open the app. After updating, go to updates, means WhatsApp status section. Select your status from here like this, and here before posting this status, if you want to tag any one of your friend, so here in the add caption box, here you can get one add logo. Just tap on it like this, and from here you can easily able to select anyone from your contact list. So for example, I am selecting one of my contact like this. After selecting, just tap on a right arrow mark. That's it. Okay, now one contact was added, so it will also show on your selected contact phones that you have tagged your friend. Okay, it will get a notification on your friend's phone. Okay, and then you can easily able to send this status. So this is the way to tag anyone on the WhatsApp. So that's it for today guys, hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.